name is Cissi Nilsson and I'm the CEO and founder of Safety by Celia. We specialize in manufacturing assault alarms masked as jewelry. I've never developed a product before and I never thought I would be an entrepreneur. I never thought I would start my own company.
The startup field is very competitive, and given the budget constraints earlier on, you need these sort of boosts.
And I started pitching to investors. I got like no, all over again. They didn't want to invest in us unless we had the hardware like ready and proven. And then I was like, how am I going to do this? We don't have any capital yet. How do you guys feel?
Okay.
And then Suranjan found Altium.
We wanted to adopt Altium earlier on so we could design more complex products later, but it was much faster than I expected.
He did the PCB design, and then I took that back to the investors and I showed it to them, and then we got the investment.
I think probably later it will be gold, silver, and this will probably...
I think one of the big challenges we had as a company was trying to get it as small as possible. This should be something that's elegant, discreet, functional. Okay, how are we going to get the components to fit on the board? What are the available manufacturing technologies? Altium is leading in terms of design for flexible PCBs, both in terms of ECAD and MCAD. Very nice to be able to visualize all the components through the manufacturer search and be able to, actually visually see it 3D printed, which Altium allows us to do. So here we have the Bluetooth SoC. We made sure everything aligns properly, and it was cool that you can make like two-way changes. So if you made the changes in the MCAD software, it would change in Altium. The technology of the PCB is a 4-layer PCB, Renaissance chip, 24-pin SoC, Bluetooth SoC. Every component on the board is optimized for cost and energy consumption. One big feature of Altium is that when you're moving components, it automatically moves other components to be able to meet the design rule specifications. It's surprising that we were able to pack all of this functionality into one of the cheapest manufacturing processes whilst still maintaining relatively cheap SMD components. And I haven't seen that with other ECAD softwares. And I use this shortcut a lot, the Polygon field, TGA. We will be able to grow, and we won't be limited by anything because Altium's capabilities are quite vast.
We can keep using it. It's good from the beginning to be able to grow and expand, which I think is quite cool.
Having a bigger team with Altium is possible, and ensuring that we have as good communication as possible with cloud saves and comments that be able to share with each other. Because really the way you win at this is getting the product out as soon as possible, at least a prototype.